Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me.
What an incredible car I've got here. This is the Audi A6. This is the S-Line Avant Quattro TDI. Incredible car, just one owner from new with £1,855 worth of factory fitted options. This car is absolutely incredible all round. Floret silver metallic, bought direct from the last owner. It is just stunning. So if you want a car which has got lots of space, great performance, fantastic economy, this is the one to have. It really is a gorgeous example. Totally unmarked all the way around, absolutely beautiful. Lots of spec on this car. So let's take you around. Electric tailgate it's got on it. Look at that, fabulous space there. Tons of space. Split folding rear seats, give you a nice load bay there. Rear luggage cover just to hide whatever you've got there. Net partition there, stop things rolling over. Bit more storage under there. The loading area is totally unmarked. There's no damage, there's no scuffs, there's no marks. It is beautiful. Look at it, just gorgeous, isn't it? Not been abused anyway. Press the button, the electric tailgate goes down. Look at that bodywork. No scuffs, no marks. Rear parking sensors. Just beautiful all the way around on the bodywork. All the wheels in great condition, no damage on those at all. All the wheels are great. We've just fitted two matching tyres at the front, so Bridgestone tyres all the way around. Front parking sensors, look at it there. No stone chips, no scuffs, no marks. That is why we do videos, just to show people we have nothing to hide. We just sell high quality used cars. Beautiful inside, Alcantara trim on the door there, all nice and clean. Look at that gorgeous leather, again totally unmarked, no nasty scuffs, non-smoker's car, no horrible smells in here at all. You'd almost think it was brand new. Automatic climate control in the rear as well. Look at that leg space there. Again, the door trim, all nice and clean. Electric windows front and rear. Electric seats, memory seats. Electric lumbar support. Those seats are just gorgeous. They really do grip you in. S-Line embossed, of course. Again, all in great condition. Front centre armrest. Again, all the trims on the passenger side. You can almost smell the leather. Of course, Quattro, just to remind you what you're driving. Everything's all controlled very easily from there. Navigation, radio, media. Great stereo system on the car. So easy to navigate all the way around. Bluetooth connection, of course. Driver comfort, you can adjust it to automatic, comfort, efficiency, dynamic. It really is sets exactly how you want to drive the car. Of course, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, media input, SD cards in there. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, they are wonderful. Cruise control, great multifunctional leather steering wheel with, of course, a paddle shift, just like a racing car. All the stereo, everything all controlled straight off the steering wheel. Look at the mileage of just 15,254. That's what it's done. 15,254. One owner, full service history, still a manufacturer's warranty, electric folding mirrors. Again, another fantastic feature on the car. Of course, other features include automatic lights, we welcome part exchange, so give us a shout whatever car you've got. We'll take any part exchange, no problem whatsoever. Great finance available direct from ourselves, great PCP deals or full HP, whichever you prefer. Check out the calculation on our website. We make buying and selling cars a very, very simple, easy process. It really is very, very easy. This car is ready to drive away today, and you will not be disappointed in the car. Hence we do the videos to show you we have nothing to hide. Read about our raving fans reviews and you will fully understand why customers come back to us time and time again over the years. So if you want this Audi A6 S-Line TDI Quattro Avant S-Tronic in Floret silver, please give me a call on 01782 822 700. It really is an absolute beauty. Nearly 190 brake horsepower, Quattro 4-wheel drive, fantastic miles per gallon. Audi claim at 57 plus miles per gallon. And just to remind you, it is one owner, full service history, still under manufacturer's warranty. The phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.